Hey, welcome back to Apicem tutorials. In today's session, we will discuss 5 very common words that people rarely pronounce correctly. Trust me, I can have bet on that. So let's learn the correct pronunciation and you can then test these on your friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, as it will help me to bring you more useful and interesting content on English speaking. Moreover, I'm going to conduct free English speaking classes in the near future for my subscribers only. So please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the related notifications. Let's begin with the first word. It is an infectious disease of the tropics transmitted by mosquitoes. Many people pronounce it as dengue, but it's dengue. Not dengue, dengue, dengue. The second one is a synonym for the word voucher. Many people pronounce it as coupon. It's not coupon, coupon, coupon. Third one is a common symptom of upper respiratory infection. Many people pronounce it as cough, but it's not cough, it's cough. Both as a noun and a verb, it's cough, cough. The act of taking photographs is not photography, it's photography, photography. Photograph, but photography, photography, photography. Last one is the name for a composition written in metrical feet, means in musical form. Yes, you are right. I am talking about poem. It's not poem as many people say it. It's poem. 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 Let me know in the comment section below if you used to speak any of these words incorrectly till now. I will tell you mine as well. It would be fun to learn from each other's mistakes. Please stay in tune for more such videos. Take care, subscribe before going away. Thank you so much.